If you saw this repair video, it's one of our surplus sets which will go on eBay with a standard replacement mic, and it is a Mustang CB3000. You don't see many of these. Tango 21 test. And I have an on all the time Roger bleep, just to annoy everybody.
Just stand by, I've had to clean a massive berry bird shit off the window.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Yep, Roger, got you, and the extension speaker's now in.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger, so we're now heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place which hasn't been defaced, and we're shortly passing the entrance to what will be doggy daycare.
Roger on that. Okay.
I know you've got a particular tone of Roger bleep on that. Can you turn it off?
Negative, I can't.
That's a Mustang then.
Yeah, it is. I think there may be one or two others that have a permanent Roger bleep, but we don't often come up against them.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. And this is the Mustang 3000. It's wider than nearly any other CG radio. You need the right dashboard real estate.
Roger. Alright, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square-wheeled once again at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over. No, we're not. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Let's get you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over No, we're not. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Mustang CB3000 from 1981, produced Cybernet 002 F chassis, and it's on a standard replacement line branded with all 4 output.
Yep, roger that. All received.
This was a set which on silly tools to make it do 10 watts, so it's all straight down now.
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Where have you got you going over? Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Where have you got you out the Kelby turn?
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Where have you got you out the Grayleys turn?
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Where have you got you at the 5 mile point? Come on, this Mustang 3000, going 4 watt output, going 1.26 amps to achieve that. Now, if I stand and listen switch at the back, we'll go with some low power. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power, where we're doing 380 milliwatts, it's going 580 milliamps. So, 1 of the kilometers. There we are back on full power over.
Yep, no problems on full power, bit noisy on low power like you'd expect.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 146.9 and 149.7, I think it says now, not 9.
Yeah, on the sign of the broken, it says 9 on one side and 7 on the other. Right, well that works fine, thank you, for 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. You got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over.
Yep, 146.9 and 149.7. I think it says now, not 9.
Yeah, as long as the sign hasn't broken and it says 9 on one side and 7 on the other. Right, well that worked fine, thank you. So 10-10. And it did. So there we go. Go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic that's come with it.
Tango 21 testing Mustang 3000 with the standard replacement microphone which it comes with into our Midland 16900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3 to 1. That's on 4 watts. We'll pop it onto the low power, which is 380 milliwatts now on this set. This is just here as a tom test, and we'll go back to full power. Okay, thank you for watching the Mustang CB3000.